Senior BJP legislator A.L. Hek expressed confidence that the BJP will perform better in the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. The BJP leader said with numerous schemes in place, the party is able to reach out to the masses. Talking to media persons, Hek on Monday reiterated that though he refused to be a BJP MP candidate for the Shillong parliamentary seat in both 2014 and 2019, this time in 2024, he will not refuse if given an offer, stating that Dr. Fenella L. Nonglait is just an aspiring candidate. Hek said the party's high command will take the final decision.
BJP is the only one party which I have told several times, is working day and night 24/7 for all kind of party activities and also particularly for preparations of the elections. He is also one of the aspirants for contest. Until unless the official announcement has been made, so we cannot say everybody can be aspirants. I told this many times because 14 also have denied, 19 I have denied, this time I will not deny.